Alright, so I thought the easiest way for me to kind of explain what I'm looking for in the home and also to give a tour to some of my friends and family would be to walk you through the home that I created on my Home Designer Suite 2012. Um, so this is going to be live, so if I make any mistakes along the way, I apologize. So first off, here's our front door. And color scheme wise, not all of this is going to be the same. I'm just trying to get the structure down at this point and kind of plan things out. So here we go. Entering the home, you'll see that we've got a foyer here, and the foyer is 2-story. And if you look up, you can see that, in fact, you can see all the way up to the 2nd floor. Going in the foyer, we're probably not going to have hardwood there. It'll probably eventually be tile. At first it's going to be vinyl. To your right, you'll see our dining room. Potentially interested in doing the bump out. At some point I would like to also do some of the box molding here, and also right here you'll see the butler's pantry, also very interesting to us to do that. Thanks Dan and Michelle. Going into our kitchen, you'll see that we have a peninsula here with a corner sink. Now what I'm not able to do in the program is to create a little eating surface here. We'd like a little raised eating surface. Potentially a window here going into what eventually will be a sunroom, but that's not going to be in the initial plans. As far as our layout of our kitchen, this right here, we'd like to make Missy's baking station. So eventually what you'll see here is a countertop goes underneath, kind of different, but inside here you'll be able to open it up and access all your baking stuff. Here with these cabinets, I'm not sure about having them all be in glass, maybe some of them in glass and others not. Over the range microwave, this will be a double oven range. Everything's stainless steel in here, and at this point we're not going to go with granite countertops. We're going to go with something more standard and eventually maybe upgrade. For our refrigerator, we're going to do a regular refrigerator, but it's going to have a built-in look with lots of storage on either side. Moving into this next room, we're in the laundry. We're likely going to be doing regular top loader laundry, but at this point I only had these in. Not sure about how much room we're going to have in here, and that's something we're going to have to discuss. It looks a little tight, and I'm concerned about that. Eventually we'd like to turn this into a pantry. It's probably not going to be in our budget to get started, but Missy does want some sort of shelving in here to get started. From here we can turn and we can go into the garage. So you'll see there's a 2-car garage here with a man door and windows out front. And there's our little freezer. Another area of question here is how tight this here is going to be. I'm a little concerned that this is going to be too tight, and we might need to address that in our final plans. Also, the tightness of this spot right here kind of concerns me. Everything around this peninsula. I would like to have 4 seats here, but you know, we need to make it work. I'd like to build these shelves in myself eventually. They'll probably be matching trim colors. We're going to do the windows up top here, 2 of them. The second window we'd like to get from the master bathroom upstairs. We'll talk about that when I get up there. And then windows on the bottom, standard ones. standard ones over here as well. For those of you not familiar with the design, it's awesome area here. You'll see upstairs when we get there is this really neat feature of the home, which is a balcony area. Normally you'd just get this little spot, but we are choosing to remove a bedroom up here, which I'll show you in a bit, which will allow us to have a balcony across the whole thing. I've got the columns in there at this point. No structural component is required here, but it gives it a cool look, so I added them in to see what they'd look like. In this next portion, before we go any further, this question mark here as to how we're going to transition and what the angle is going to look like, we need to make it work out well. I don't like how short this is here. We'll have to figure out exactly where we want this wall. Maybe we can bump that wall out a little bit, maybe in line with that wall right there, to make this look a little bit less awkward. So maybe go straight across here and bump this pony wall over to meet with this wall here. Not sure what we want to do with that. At some point also, I'd like to make sure that the cabinets are built up all the way to the ceiling here, and that the same kind of look travels around this whole area. And we probably will break with this color separate, something different in here right at that line, as well as right here. As I said, colors are not picked out here yet. Maybe I will be able to do this. Let's see. It's going to give me some difficulty. The one of these doors. Oh, now we're upstairs. Excuse my keying here. Let's see if we can't get this to look right. All right, so one of these doors, just to give you an idea, is going to be a powder room, and the other one's going to be a closet. Sometimes this program jumps me around a little bit more than I'd like. Okay, so let's see if we can't make it without jumping up to the second floor. Yep, there it goes. Alright, so I'm going to exit out here for a moment. So this will give you the same idea here. Here's the pantry and the laundry room we just talked about. Here's the kitchen, the eventual sunroom, the family room we were already in. We went through the front door right here. We've been to the garage, and we've been also to the dining room. I was trying to get to this room here, which is our study. Now, originally this is the living room, or the living room, which I feel is unused by most people. Just to give you the idea of what this is for, I put in some desks and some bookshelves and such. This is going to be a library and have a built-in desks that I'm going to build myself directly into the room, I think. We'll see as we move forward. And light switches, by the way, and everything like that, as you can see one here. I haven't really done anything with that kind of stuff yet. I've just played around a little bit. Alright, to save you from me going all over the place, I'm going to switch to our second floor here. And I'll put us right at the top of the stairs. So when you make to the top of the stairs, remember that this whole foyer area is going to be open. In my program, there's some errors yet, so I haven't bothered getting rid of them, but you'll be able to see all the way down to the first floor here. To the one side here, you'll see we've got our nice, beautiful balcony area. And this will have a sloping roof. I can't do that easily on the program, so I chose to just leave it alone. But you'll notice we can look down from here to the first floor and even over into the breakfast area. It's amazing. These double doors here are our master bedroom, which we'll get to in a bit. See, my one door is a different color right now. We'll have to change that. In this area, I'd like to do a double sink. I'd like to have a shower bathtub combination. I'd like to save those double windows from the front because I think it makes the house look beautiful from the front. A little tiny linen closet here, and an added feature here, a door for your toilet facility, just so that both kids could be in there or whatever, and not one could be getting ready while the other one is using the bathroom. This would also double as a secondary guest bathroom, and in case of like a party or something, so the kids will have to clean up if that's the case. Here's our master suite. I like to do a fan on the ceiling in the master suite. Eventually, if not right away. We got a walk-in closet on either side here, 1 and 2. And then going in here is the master bath. We've chosen to get rid of the corner soaking tub. We're going to go with a larger shower here, and potentially, you know, in the future maybe do a tile area here, but for now we're just going to stick with the regular one. Next to the shower, I have the toilet, once again behind a door so that it can be used while someone else is getting ready. Double sink. Now what I can't do easily here on the program, but I would like to do, is remove this cabinet and make this center area a makeup station for Missy. This door right here is a linen closet. Exiting the main master bedroom, I'll show you the kid bedrooms. Running close on time here, I gotta speed this up. So here's one kid bedroom. We've removed the Jack and Jill and made a walk-in closet, one here. And sorry, I'm going very fast now. I'm trying to get done. I only have 15 minutes on this program for free. And then another kid bedroom here, and this is all built-in stuff that I would do later in this bedroom, and also another walk-in closet here, same size as the other. Once again, we've removed the Jack and Jill to do so. Get out of here, and here's the overall look. Once again, we've got the bathroom, the added larger bathroom here, the balcony area open to below over our family room, a regular bedroom, removed the Jack and Jill and made a double walk-in closet, another bedroom for the kids, master bath, walk-in closets, and the master bedroom. Okay, I've only got a few minutes left, so I'm going to go down to the last floor here, which is our basement. We're going to eventually try to do a rough-in here for a full bathroom, just in case, since we are removing a bathroom. The whole house will be 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This would be a 3.5 bath if we did that. Maybe eventually an entertainment area down here, so I want to plan it out just as a precautionary, and then some sort of a utility room over here. I'm not sure where I'm going to have a bill code door, or if we're going to have a be able to have a walkout somewhere over in here. A walkout would be ideal. I'd love to have a walkout in this corner if possible. I'll do a quick overview as I only have less than a minute left here. Alright, now we're in the basement. I've kind of built up our basement. The stairs come a little farther than they should because of some other changes I couldn't make easily with these stairs. An exercise area off to the side here with the little pony wall. I'll do all this on my own. Over there is the utility room, and then the bar and the bathroom area here are all set up so that the plumbing can be roughed in from new. Okay, so that is the overview of the house. I hope you enjoyed. I only have about 5 seconds left, so thank you very much for watching.